Many of you ask me to make a video on how to reduce the speed from 35 km per hour to 25 km per hour. Here is a quick and easy way. Disassemble the display part and connect it to your PC or laptop. In the video description there are links to download the MCU firmware and flasher. First we will download MCU firmware, choose your scooter you are using and save it in a folder. After that we download the flasher to your PC. You can save it in the same folder. We run the flasher on your PC and connect the scooter to the PC. You have the option to test connection to make sure you have connected the port correctly. Start update and wait until it is 100% complete. And you can see that it has been restored to its original settings.